a good job. You can't do it. Your boss cannot ask you to go and carry out robbery and you say that you are doing it. It's not accepted.
Country people, this is BBC Pidgin, and we still there live from the Federal High Court for Abuja, where the hearing of Nnamdi Kanu supposed hold today. But as it is so, as I told you before, we never knew whether the hearing don't start from but they here, the para say security agencies no get right to prevent people from entering inside the court. So small casala they happen for here, they won't attack am as they say for and they see actually happen for this live video, so they don't bring some dogs to come harass for this live video. And the harassment that they see Oga Sowore and security people. And now I see as they happen for here, they come attack Oga Sowore. This one they happen so. Just some group of boys just attack Sowore now as I see for this live video.
Police are here watching them, not doing anything. This is DSS. You see Nigeria, in the presence of many police like this, they are causing commotion, they leave them.
Now the people will come attack Sowore. We are heavy security today. 90s katakata they happen for here. People they complain say how this will happen for here security today. They no arrest anybody. They no arrest anybody. Somebody stop them with
We are not talking to him, we are asking my car. No, but I'm telling you this. I'm telling you. No, why are you arguing? I'm telling you what happened.
But it's okay. Officer, it's okay. It's okay. Officer, it's okay. Officer, no.
You know what they are doing now? It's okay. They're pushing me back to there.
It's okay.
They know what they are doing. They are the ones behind them now.
They're expecting us to fight back.
Sorry.
So it's now look as if we are having a clash.
Come here.
They are the ones who brought them now. They are the ones who brought them.
Can you imagine this? Not even one action. You want to do that?
You think any of those criminals in government
They are the ones who arranged them now. You think we'll be intimidated?
He said we are one Nigeria.
Katakata still continue. It don't come to attack. They don't catch some of them. They don't catch some of them. They see for this live video.
Arrest them! Arrest them! Enough is enough! Enough is enough!
And some others have run away. Some others have run away.
Let's go back, let's go back, let's go back, let's go back. Enough is enough! Arrest
Security personnel don't arrest some of the guys who come for this place.
Take their pictures! Take their pictures! Take their pictures! Take their pictures! We know their faces! Take their pictures! Enough is enough! Journalists will be sending out! Take their pictures!
Can you imagine what is happening here? Can you imagine?
Arrest them! Arrest them!
How can this kind of impunity be happening in Nigeria? And everybody's keeping quiet. We are one Nigeria. You said we should be one, and we are one. What is happening in the court premises today? Come and be fighting somebody here. Who is shooting the office?
They are plenty.
I leave them to do what they want.
Country people now, this small katakata way bus for this place when there's some people come to cause more katakata. But security personnel, they don't carry them for inside their van, they go.
We will still stand up against them. We will stand up against them. Enough is enough in this country. Enough is enough. We are all in here.
Can you just, in the face of the
Take their picture, please take it.
The motorway that carry come with this.
watch your side, don't be carried away. Don't be carried away. Watch your side, watch your side.
The motorway that carry come with this. The motor self never put that plate number. See, they don't remove the plate number.
Police are trying.
Boys will come concert katakata for this place. Now the motorway that carry come with this.
Okay, now, police is. We were here.
This is the vehicle that they used to drive them from.
All the time they keep doing this to us.
The people make a carry on a go where show already making waiting get to talk about waiting this kingdom.
What are you preaching? They are not mercenaries. They were bought by the federal government. What are you doing? Now bring them now.
Arrest what? Arrest what? Why? Who allowed them? What are they arresting? Who allowed them? You stop lawyers from entering the court. And you allow hoodlums in? You allow hoodlums in? You stop beating people. You stop lawyers. I'm a lawyer. You are journalist. I'm a lawyer. And they stop me from entering the court. They allow hoodlums to enter. They allow hoodlums. They stop hoodlums walking from the court.
I was the one telling them here. Get these boys arrested right in front of them. You come and this is in your camera. For God's sake. Security here.
Haba.
You brought them now. Why are you surprised?
No, it's not acceptable.
This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable in this country.
They go with the jeep. Who brought them? Who brought them with the jeep?
This is showing they tend to beat.
From the people now, so it be for outside of the federal court, where people where they outside, where see the kata at it happen. The para say why the security people where they here go allow that kind of thing happen, koro for their eyes. So they told the motor. VIO tow van down the ground to tow the car where those people carry come. Meanwhile, for this other corner, they don't still catch something for this corner.
They caught me, say they want to about this.
So country people, the people they are the para, say with all this heavy security where they ground for this place, those people still get a chance, drive past, come inside this place, come cause kata where them call just now. With all the security where they get. So some of the people who talk for this live video, they wonder, say how the thing take happen. Journalists wey want to do their work and lawyers wey want to do their work, they don't even see chance waka freely for this place, talk less of hoodlums wey pass all these security checkpoints, come this place, come they cause kata. And I see for this live video, the security no be here. But yet, hoodlums come here, come they cause kasala for this place. They don't carry, then they go. They don't carry, then they go. See them, they don't carry, then they go.
That guy is innocent.
How will you know? So they should continue. Okay. Okay, now you van down
that use come, they don't hold the car, they go so. The car be there, they don't hold the car, they go.
Wait, carry your ID.
Yeah. My ID card is with me.
Carry her, come on.
See, I'm
Put that for your color like this. They don't say, wait, they don't say they bring ID card, come on. They don't carry one innocent man go now.
They took 2 innocent people that were not part of the process.
That's it.
They took 2 and they are beating him.
The casala for this place, they tie a pass small.
We are used to it. Start the police brutality.
To beat him, to push him. Hey!
The harassment don't enter gear.
You see, I'm. Please, can you move to this side? You want to move out of this side? Please, move to one side. Please, try to hold your eyes.
Okay, country people, as we see, and so the security personnel for this place, and they try to put everything under control. So the thing that they talk, they say, make everybody will be journalists identify themselves with their ID card, so that they go know people will come here to come cause casala, so that they go know as they go use pursue those people, remove them from the place where other people will come to do their work. So the waiting security personnel that they do for this place to ensure say bad people no infiltrate this place to cause more casala. As we see for this live video before now, the security personnel don't arrest them. Some of the hoodlums will come here, come they cause casala. They don't carry them go. They don't even VIO don't even use their towing van, towing the motor where they use come for this place. So as they see the security people here, all of them come down from motor to make sure say everything they in order. So they see things for outside of the Federal High Court Abuja as people gather for this place to attend the trial of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra Mazi Nnamdi Kanu hearing for Federal High Court. So these people where they outside, security personnel no allow them enter inside court to go do their work. But the question where country people they ask, they say people who won't do their work, security no allow them enter. Then how those hoodlums will come cause casala for this place, pass all the security checkpoints, come this place to come cause katakata moments ago, as we see a koro for our eyes.
See, push it.
It's too far, I can't capture it.
They try zoom, go far, that place where then they drag person. They don't catch somebody, they come and they try to zoom the person, they still they far. Make them come near small, massive.
I am
Take a picture.
Oh, picture now. Yeah, we can go more. I'm alright.
Oh, yeah. Picture here, post.
Now they ask the person, they shout. They're just they catch people. They're just they catch people. Okay, they no allow journalists go front, so myself I no go front. Make I dey for this place. And the people are not going to go front. I hope they manage to see as it happen for this place.
They will allow us go.
So, please, how do you feel about
This is embarrassment. That's not embarrassment. This is a shame on the sovereignty of this country. Guys, everything is in the pocket.
Country people, everybody wey dey here, they para for wetin just happen now. But let no sweet them at all for the drama wey just happen for outside of the Federal High Court for Abuja.
I have Shade's number, but my phone is actually blocked.
With all the security men wey tanda gidigba for ground, hoodlums still enter.
That's then some minutes back it was rowdy.
Hi, I dey see on a comment, I no go fit go front pass like this because security people no dey allow people pass. They don't draw line, say make no journalists pass that place. They see on a comment, make I go front, but I no go fit go front pass this one. Why this so? So the security personnel where they here, they don't at alert.
They have confidence with anything in the presence of TSS. What if you know they can thank God, though. Nigerian journalists, thank you. Now you are arrested now. Even they shout Nigerian journalists. This guy, they go run.
Okay, Showore, I see your comments, but that Showore they safe, safe. The security people where they near where you stand, they protect them.
If we know they as we say we don't talk.
Journalists on the see for video like this.
Sorry, I'm just...
No, we're just doing live.
No.
Let's say this security man just like this life where BBC Pidgin
team
they do. So
do.
with the well done now,
the
we
well
see say
done,
na
well
security now they beef up everywhere. And DSS they stand up for here, and so everything just they go well. And the little katakata will happen now. Tamara, how you carry see this begebe just happen now as waiting don't happen for this place?
My dear, the thing shocked me, because with this security, we put this place, even we were the journalists, he had us to do our work well, but to see as those hoodlums beat all the security, come here, it shocked me well, I'm not going to lie for you.
So the Jagoda people being come with 3 cars, then change their plate numbers. They come with 3 cars with wood, with plenty things. As they come front here, many people they didn't think say the security go react or go say something, but we surprised say they just fold their hands, they watch. Many people don't describe and say Abi say na one sponsor Jagoda people or not. So waiting as you talk to people for ground, waiting then they talk, waiting you they hear say then they talk about this issue.
And the people who I talk to for ground, they're no happy because the thing take shock me, that's so it take shock them too. They say when those Jagoda boys carry waka enter this place, why the security people no take action immediately? Then wait until the journalists wait there for ground begin shout, begin raise alarm before they find way to arrest them. And by that time, some of them don't escape. But Showore, they caught, but he never get access inside the court premises. He just they outside like us. They find them access to the courtroom, but Tori where they reach me from inside court say Nnamdi Kanu dey inside court. Now the Tori where just they reach me now say Nnamdi Kanu dey inside court. One lawyer won't tell us.
Okay, but according to some lawyers, the court place is a public place that should be open to everybody. Do you think that the security operators barring journalists and other lawyers and other members of the public from the country, do you think it is right according to the constitution?
I don't know whether that's your bad because we are allowed to go in.
You are allowed to go in?
Yes.
We entered the floor, but we didn't enter the courtroom. And we learned that 5 lawyers are allowed to be for him, which is very minimal. If not, there are many of us here who are supposed to, if not directly in the matter, to give a solidarity appearance for him. So such number is very minimal. And it's not a problem.
Okay, so
we saw his face.
Yeah, we saw his face. He's held and healthy.
He looks very healthy. He looks very
smart.
healthy. Smart.
Was he allowed to talk?
No. He just passed into the court.
This is too much.
Okay, so Nasi Nnamdi Kanu, you fit tell us how it be as you see him?
He looked very healthy and he was okay. So he passed and he can't enter the courtroom.
What do you wear?
He wear yellow top and down.
Okay, Nasi Nabi lawyers wey won't do solidarity.
Yes.
Which kind of why not they won't do solidarity? And how many will be?
No, there are many, countless. Solidarity to be part of the trial as well, because of what is standing for. So there is much solidarity from the Southeast as well as human rights lawyers, because we know what the suffering people from the Southeast is suffering today and what is happening in the Southeast today, the way the Igbos are marginalized in Nigeria. All of us know that in Nigeria today, there is no support from Southeast. Despite we have locations very close, not less than 15 nautical miles, Atlantic Ocean, from Azumili and Ugota as well. So up till now, we don't have international airport. Internationalization of the Enugu airport is a mirage. international flights don't land in Enugu. So we are marginalized. Well, our appointments in this country, the Igbos are marginalized. So that is why, as he agitates, he continues to flame up agitation. The marginalization is so clear that a common man on the street, a wheelbarrow pusher, knows that an Igbo man is marginalized. So that is why his matter is gathering sympathy on daily basis.
So all of now welcome for the solidarity matter. All of now are from Southeast. Well,
not all of us, because like others, human rights, lawyers of human rights communities also show the solidarity. And those from Southeast as well, because we bear the brunt of marginalization and violation of the rights. The railway line that the president borrowed money to install railway, none of the railway lines pass through Southeast. It's a serious marginalization, as well as other indices of marginalization in this country.
Your name?
I'm Chief Kevin Emeka Okoro, legal practitioner based in Abuja. Well, as a human rights lawyer, and also the solidarity.
Okay, we just talked to one of the solidarity lawyers from the Southeast. So we don't see plenty lawyers like the Defense Council just say about 50 lawyers will come inside, but not all of them will enter the courtroom. Only 5 of them now enter the courtroom. And we bring una details of what they happen for the courtroom, like we tell una earlier that Nnamdi Kanu dey inside court. He appeared today. Last sitting in below the court, in below appear, but this one he appear for inside court, and the trial will start. This now 4 years after in Japa from Nigeria, because for 2017 then give him bail. They approving bail application and didn't come out from the country. So since he don't come back, this is not the first time where the trial will start for the Federal High Court, Abuja. So we just show around waiting they happen, and they bring una to as they happen for inside court. We also know say in day with his special counsel, Barrister Aloy Ejimako for inside court. Although some journalists they don't allow them in, but with they feed now with all the information where they are, all the issues or every idea, anything where they happen for inside court, will they bring una as they happen. So we go match break now, then we'll come back and then we'll bring una more